In this video, we are going to see how we can delete or cancel an event on Facebook. So let's say that you have already created the event. All you have to do is just go to the left hand corner and basically click on the professional dashboard. From here, you click on all tools and events. So all you have to do is just click on the events. If you don't see in the suggested ones, just click on see more in the suggested section and you should be able to see the events. Click on this and here is your event which you want to manage. So let's say if we want to edit it or delete it, you just click on the three dots and from here you can duplicate the event, export the guest list, cancel the event and so on. So click on cancel event and under the cancellation you will get this delete event option or cancel event, whatever you want to do, and you can write with some more info about that. Why do you want to delete or cancel the event? Confirm it, and that is all we have to do. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.